Hello, and thank you for joining us for this edition of Digium Live. My name is Matthew Hilton, and I am the Switchvox Product Marketing Manager here at Digium. Today, I am joined by Malcolm Davenport.
Howdy.
And Malcolm, how will somebody that's watching this know who you are, and what do you do here at Digium?
Well, I'm a Senior Product Manager here at Digium, and I work on telephones, on Asterisk, on gateways, and on our line of telephony cards.
So it sounds like you're very much into hardware, and I know you've recently been working on one of our latest IP phone models. And what is that? Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, sure. That's the D80 model telephone. We announced that back in February, and we launched it in March. It is an executive-level desk phone. It features a high-definition touch screen interface. It has no keys, and it's a really interesting device. It's very intuitive with the interface that we built. Makes it very easy to do all of the common tasks that somebody has to do with a telephone, so the management of multiple calls or the access to information that improves your workflow during your day. It's a wonderful device, and it's really set apart from everybody else on the market because it's the first affordable device in the high-definition touchscreen space.
Yeah, so I mean, there's clearly touchscreens out in the market that have smaller screens that have buttons on the side. And you mentioned that's affordable. What does that mean for somebody that's looking for a touchscreen phone in the market
Sure.
today?
So affordable in this case is a list price of $329. A lot of the other things you'll see out on the market might be $500, $600, or $700. So those are a little bit out of touch with a lot of the users, but at $329, we think it's right in line with everybody's use.
That's great. And so with a full touch interface, obviously that's very similar to a kind of standard phone or tablet.
Yep.
You don't have to worry about going back and forth between physical buttons in the phone
No,
itself.
there's no confusion about what you're supposed to be doing on the screen at any time.
That sounds great. It sounds really easy. And at $329, I mean, that sounds like a really good bargain.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Well, in that case, how has it been received in the industry? We've had it out in the market for a couple months now. What's going on with the industry? What do they say about it?
Well, at the end of April, we were actually awarded TMC's Unified Communications Product of the Year Award for 2017, which is really fantastic. The guys here were certainly really thrilled about it. It's always nice to get a pat on the back for your hard work, be recognized for it. Outside of that, one of the internal barometers that I kind of use for a product is how happy Steve Harvey is with it. And Steve Harvey is our VP of Worldwide Sales. And so Steve's been on the phone for about 6 months, and in the first week that he had it, I think we spent 4 hours on the telephone talking about it. So he was just giving us suggestions for features and things he wanted to see, which is really fantastic, to have that.
Sure.
Outside of the company, one of the most exciting things was being part of a project here in Huntsville locally. We worked with a local company to retrofit the IT equipment at Huntsville's new Botanical Garden Center. And they deployed D80s to all of their user-facing telephones, so the front desk, and any of their office managers. And the value there for them was that the D80 is a high technology device. It's beautiful to look at, and it's very easy for all of their people to use. So it gives a wonderful impression inside of the Botanical Gardens here in Huntsville. So that was just great to be a part of.
Being that it's an affordable device as well, that means that they have the ability to place that in public locations without worrying about going over their budget. So that's great. And obviously, we want to have people get their hands on these phones in order to see how wonderful it is. You can hear us talking about it all day long, but really, how can some other people that are just on the internet perhaps see the value of the phone and what it looks like and how it works?
Sure, just head on over to the Digium website. Once you get there, you can see an array of videos that will tell you about the D80, show off some of its features, teach you how to use it. If you want to head directly over to our YouTube channel, you can do that as well. Just head over to YouTube and search for Digium.
Yep. And also we have information on our website as well, so you can go to digium.com/phones. That'll bring you all of our phones as well as our D80 highlighted right at the top of that page for you. And great. Any other information you'd like to share with us today, Malcolm?
No.
All
Cheers.
Right. Wonderful. Bang it out. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching this edition of Digium Live, and we'll see you next time.